What's up everyone, Blake Sloan here. You're probably wondering why I'm holding this box right here, right? We have one of the newest technologies that we're bringing in-house here to help with all the other ones that we have, specifically for virtual reality tours in the time of COVID-19 here in Myrtle Beach and the Myrtle Beach area, Grand Sharon real estate market. We've had Matterport, you've probably heard of that, and we've had that, be able to do in-house, but ultimately we got a new, quicker, faster, more consumer-friendly tool right now through Rico Tours. We're going to break into an unboxing just so you can see and how this is helping our homeowners right now get more traffic online, get more conversion online, get their properties sold virtually from people who are out of area, all while protecting them as homeowners. So this is a tool we could use to help get your property sold. We'll go through and just kind of break down like an unboxing for you so you can kind of see what all it does. And I'll go through and show you the computer too so you can kind of see how is this technology helping our sellers and helping them be able to get property sold. We've been able to do it with what we've already had, and sometimes we had to outsource part of that. So everything we have right now is in-house. It's able to be done. This is a Theta camera they have. This is obviously the 3D camera where it does 360 degrees, and the whole process here is that we can put them together for a virtual floor plan of your house, go through and explain. This is the overall stand that it goes on. Obviously it rotates. It does run this part, but I'll take too much of your time doing that part. I want to get to the part which is most important, which is the Rico camera here in that aspect. They're a very, very well-known technology company. Been around forever. I used to remember seeing the big signs in Times Square in New York City, but Rico Theta SC2, in my opinion, one of the first ones I've seen here in our area. I haven't seen anyone else be able to use this, but very, very cool in regards to what it is. We can have this in your house tomorrow safely, but super, super cool, super small, super sleek, and as you can see, technology is getting pretty doggone cool. Both sides, 360 degree camera, and it placed in every single room and allows someone to virtually walk through your home, either on the computer or right here on their phone based on where they're at. This has been huge right now. We put 3 properties under contract in the last week from buyers from up north who had never seen the property. And so as this COVID-19 comes, we're investing heavily to help you get your property sold faster for more money, when a lot of agents are running for the hills right now, right? Locking themselves down, watching Netflix. We're doubling down for you to get your property sold and adding one more tool to our toolbox to help you sold. Check it out and take a look. We'll go in here and show you kind of what this does, but just kind of give you an overview, right? It's the future of basic virtual all-in-one solutions. You can see here, basically they can watch on their phone. It goes on here, but the coolest part to get you where it has all the data from your property, but let's scroll down so you can see, builds out everything, the floor plans, everything about your floor, no matter which floor it's on. It's just like anything you've ever seen before, but you can go out here, right, walk out to the balcony, and you can tour the balcony however you want, based on the virtual reality of what they have. You can go into the bonus room, you can pick it how they want, and the reality is they can view it based on their camera settings. Obviously, if it's a phone, the phone will move around that regard. And we'll walk you through, and I'll show you a quick way to walk through when recorded on the thing, but it's super cool, right? Check out each area of the property. And so they can literally make an offer on your property without you even having to let them in. We've done this successfully through using other technology. It took a little longer. Now we can have the person out there the next day. Boom, our in-house photographer can have this set up within an hour, 2 hours, ready to go, and you are online rolling with people from all over the globe right now who are looking to escape the Northeast, these other areas, move down here to South Carolina, and we're leading the charge for you. So if you want to know more about that, reach out, call us, 843-808-SOLD, go to blakesloan.com, or submit in this page where you see something, and we'll be more than happy to get this in your house ASAP to help you succeed through COVID-19.